30th of December, so we're very close to the end of the year.
I didn't do a Christmas special because I didn't really have anything.
So I thought I'd do a brief recap of the channel, just to like commemorate, this year and what we've achieved. We're currently at 80 subscribers, so I'd like to thank you guys for that. This channel was pretty new. I only started December of last year, so we're only just past the 1 year anniversary of the channel, I suppose. And yeah, in that time, it's grown quite a lot. So thank you, and let's get into it. So let's start with my first video of the year, 4th of January. Coincidentally, this is actually my most viewed video, my most popular video. And it has close to having the highest amount of comments too. And that was this video here. It's just that it was probably my lowest effort video, and yet got almost 200 likes and 20 comments. So year started, with pretty strong video. It got 8,000 views within the first couple of days and just stayed there. And unfortunately, we never reached that same success for the rest of the year. I then asked another question, because this was a problem, and that issue did end up getting resolved with this guy here, Windows tab. Yep, that's actually a big help. And then I did some more PC videos, and so far it'd been mostly PC videos. And then I released this video, which was me making a DIY catapult, a stick mounted catapult. So yeah, it wasn't very interesting, but I wanted to do more DIY sort of stuff like that, building stuff rather than just PCs. And it was a flop to this day. Only has 32 views. I really don't know. Maybe it's my hashtags. And then, despite that, I went on to make another DIY sort of actual building thing, and this was very successful. This was the USB stick video. I still have it here actually. I don't use it that much anymore. It was kind of difficult to fit into some things, but it's still one of my favorite videos on the channel.
Shit, my USB port's gonna be broken. How much is in here?
And for whatever reason, that video had some of the better audio. Usually it's just me like late at night whispering into the mic because my sister's asleep. And then I made a video about my new optical fiber that was put in, then my new PC setup. And then I made another bow. Didn't do hardly as well as the first one. This was pretty funny.
I accidentally mounted my local disk twice. So there's a normal C drive and then there's this D drive which I don't have access to.
I ended up reinstalling my operating system, and that was part of the reason why. Then I made this video, which was actually pretty cool. Not many people saw it, but it was a pretty cool thing that you could do at the time. In that video, I probably should have tried it again. I just wanted to do it pretty quick, but it wasn't a very good demonstration. It showed it working, and if you were to try it now, it doesn't no longer work. Then I made some other PC videos, and then these are all January, and then with this video is the last big hit, that phase. It still looks similar to this. Damn, I didn't know I had these out at that time. Okay, why is it actually clean behind there? It's shit behind there now. But yeah. That was pretty funny, and that got quite a lot of views. And then some reason I just stopped like 3 months. So yeah, it wasn't until here that I made another video, which was just like a design idea that I came up with. I actually ended up building it, but I don't think I made a video about it. So yeah, just looking at that, I mean, it makes sense, but it's such a shit video, and I don't know why I use that AI voice. But I actually did build it, and I actually did use this for quite some time. As you can see in here, there was the mouse. This is taped to the desk. There's part of a mouse in here, and as you would turn this, it would move it across this piece of cardboard, and it worked. And for BeamNG Drive, pretty dang well. Like, I was I was using this for like a week. I just had it. I would be typing, and it would just be like taking up half my desk, but it was it was so shit. But it was kind of cool at the same time. I don't know why I didn't end up making a video about it actually. Should I? Well, I've kind of have it here, so if you want to see it in more in depth on this piece of shit, comment down below. Then I made another video on some Raspberry Pis that I got. Then I started doing more Python coding. A month later, made some videos on using that Raspberry Pi, a joke kind of thing, putting a lava lamp in my PC. And yeah, then this was quite interesting, using the Raspberry Pi to make the messaging calculator. I used that Minions sound, and it was blocked in Russia for some reason, so that's why that's there. Yeah, I did some geocaching briefly, did some other PC videos, unlisted. So yeah, that's probably never seen before. Limited edition content right there. Very high quality. And then did a few more videos with the car. Nice throwback to my first video using that same car. I had a FPV, now I have a propeller on it somewhere back there. I haven't done both at the same time though. I could. Maybe I should. Comment down below if you'd like to see more. Maybe I could add a motor to it somehow. Then I did some more with that same piece of PVC pipe back from one of my old videos. Made a bicarb soda gun. Didn't actually have a demonstration of that working. Maybe I should. I have definitely the recordings. And that brings us to where we are now, which brings us to plans for the future. So in a couple of days, I'm actually gonna actually tomorrow, my VR should arrive. Might do a old Agus print. This is also something that you guys probably do not know. This is actually my old channel. What I did here was some day 1, day 2 of waiting, and these are some of my most popular videos. I think it may well be 2,000 views. So yeah, I did it was mostly 3D printing. If you want, you can go check out that. I'll put the link in the description. Day 4.5. So yeah, I'll probably do that. Currently, I'm editing like 2 or 3 videos, so they'll be released in the very near future. Next year, I reckon I'm gonna start a Python tutorial series. So like teaching you guys, hopefully more people, how to use the programming language Python and its various uses. Probably do a series on that. Might do some more 3D printing stuff, because I actually, apart from this video here, A1 Mini unboxing, I haven't done any 3D printing videos, because since this old channel, I have bought a new printer. So yeah, might do some drone videos. Yeah, I actually 3D printed this. 3D printed an Aztec death whistle. So yeah, I might do some more stuff like that in the very near future. So thank you guys for watching. It's been a good year, and I hope to see you later.
Oh yeah, there may or may not be a 100 subscriber special, so